Hi tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video we are diving deep on software download. So many people have their MacBook and their Windows and they don't know where to actually download softwares which they are looking for. So on today's video I will provide you step-by-step platforms that you can download software for your MacBook and software for your Windows. If you're interested in this video, please don't screw up. Click on the like button and let's kick off the journey. So you're looking for a software for your MacBook and Windows. The first thing you do is to identify a reliable source where you can download this software without any spam or any virus attacking your system. And that is why I'm here today. I'm going to provide you two platforms where you can download a very good reliable softwares that you can use for creativity, for writing, for documentation and the rest of them. This is amazing and this will blow your mind. This is what I do here. You know what I do. If you're new to this channel is just the perfect channel for you to be. That will increase your skills and tips you learn every day and increase the money you make online, and introduce you to new platforms that you can make huge money and learn new things. That is all I do on this platform. You're welcome. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Okay, the website I want to introduce to you offer authentic, up-to-date softwares without surprises. Without wasting time, let me introduce you to one of these websites which we are talking about today. This website is called getintopc.com. This is amazing. These are list of softwares. You can see the dates and when they were all updated. Let's say you're after an editing software or a very popular brand which you want to make use of. All you have to do is that you come over here on the search button and search for the software you want for your MacBook or your Windows. Then it opens for you. You check it. Let's search for Adobe. Adobe, you see all Adobe products that you need, whether Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Flash, Adobe this, Adobe that, all is here and up to date for it. When you get exactly what you're looking for, it's very easy to navigate at the download button, download it and install it on your device. That is all for this one. The next one I have for you is allpcworld.com. Look at the platform and look how interesting this guy looked at it. Some of them have similarities, right? Okay, now this is what it looks like. This is all the software that have been updated, and this is what the platform look like. It's still the same thing. That you just go get the name of the software you want and search for it. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to search for the Microsoft softwares. Let's see what they have for us. When I search for the Microsoft, look at this to blow your mind. These are all the Microsoft softwares are here. All you have to do is go through it, look for the one you want, or you search specifically for the item you want and show to you. Then download it. It's very easy to download. Download to your system and start making use of it. It's as easy as any other thing. Let me blow your mind. Let's go over to the next search. Let's search for DaVinci Code. It's a very popular editing software. Let's search for that and see what we have here. Okay, you click on the search button and search for DaVinci Code and look at DaVinci Code, the latest DaVinci Code we have here. It's all available for you here. You go over and click on download and download the software to your system. Just thank me later. Just thank me later. This is sweet. Okay, family, don't keep this video as a secret. Click on the like button so that people can get to see this video and this video can get to rank to reach out to other people. Thank you very much, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're new to this channel, subscribe please. Thank you very much. I appreciate so much. I will keep bringing you other tips and tricks on this platform that will keep you busy and keep you excited. Be the first to test out this. Let me know what you feel at the comment box and how you have seen this website. Thank you very much, family. See you on the next video.